morning students, welcome to today's class. Today we are moving to the part of geography, chapter 6, natural vegetation and wildlife. Here is a story in our textbook. Salima, she went to a summer camp with her classmates. Then she went to Manali in Himachal Pradesh. She saw different natural vegetation and different types of lands there. There is a mountain regions are there, slopes are there, valleys are there. So she is surprised about seeing those views. Then she observed that some areas are covered with snow and some are covered with forest. Some regions are grasslands and some shrubs are there. So according to her observation, we also will understand that there is a differentiation in different part of the world. Salima shared her experience with her father. Then her father told her about some regions in the polar regions and other regions. There is a differentiation in the natural vegetation and wildlife. We can look what are the different natural vegetation in different part of the world. Different types of forests are there in the different part of the world. There are tropical evergreen forests and tropical deciduous forests, temperate evergreen forests and temperate deciduous forests, and Mediterranean vegetation and coniferous forests. These are in different regions, the tropical region and temperate regions where the more heat, the temperate regions, and Mediterranean vegetation and coniferous forests. We can look what are the differentiation in different part of the world, different types of forests.
Tropical evergreen forests. These forests are also called tropical rainforests. These thick forests occur in the regions near the equator and close to the tropics. These regions are hot and receive heavy rainfall throughout the year. As there is no particular dry season, the trees do not shed their leaves altogether. This is the reason why they are called evergreen. These forests are found in the Amazon basin, Zaire basin, Malaysia, Myanmar, Vietnam, Indonesia and New Guinea. Characteristics. The hot and humid climate of this region helps in the thick growth of vegetation. These are evergreen forests with broad leaves. These forests consist of very tall trees. These forests consist of hardwood trees. There are creepers which cling around the trees. The main species of trees are mahogany, ebony, bamboo, sandalwood, rosewood, rubber trees, etc. These forests are infested with terrible wildlife. Monkeys, lizards, apes and bats spend most of their life on the trees. In swampy parts, turtles, alligators, crocodiles and hippopotamus are found. The jaguars, leopards, pythons, elephants are the other native animals of these forest lands.
Tropical deciduous forests. These are the most widespread forests of India. They are also called the monsoon forests and spread over the region, receiving rainfall between 200 centimeters and 70 centimeters. Trees of this forest type shed their leaves for about 6 to 8 weeks in dry summer.
Temperate evergreen forests. The temperate evergreen forests are located in the mid-latitudinal coastal region. They are commonly found along the eastern margin of the continents. Example, in southeast USA, South China and the southeast Brazil. They comprise both hard and softwood trees like oak, pine and eucalyptus. These are hardwood trees are growing in the temperate evergreen forest region.
Temperate deciduous forests. This type of forests are largely concentrated in West and Central Europe, East USA, North China, North Japan, South Korea, South Chile and southern part of New Zealand. Characteristics: the cool climate of this region is favorable for forest growth. The trees are generally deciduous in nature. Most of the trees have thick trunks and broad leaves. They shed their leaves in autumn season and remain leafless during winter. Important species of trees are oak, ash, cedar, redwood, Douglas fir, maple, beech and birch. The native animals of these areas include deer, foxes, wolves, squirrels, beavers, etc.
In this class, we have seen different types of forests: tropical evergreen forests and tropical deciduous forest, and temperate evergreen forest and temperate deciduous forest. The rest of the chapter we will see in the next class. Go through the textbook, read it carefully.